These birds land on injured hippos and drink their blood, but the hippo doesn't push them away because they're actually helping to keep it alive. These birds are called oxpeckers, also known as nature's doctors. They sit on animals like rhinos, elephants, and giraffes, and eat ticks, lice, and other harmful bugs off their skin. They also clean the animal's wounds by eating dead skin, dirt, and rotting tissue, which helps stop infections that could be dangerous or even deadly. Sometimes, while cleaning, they may accidentally make new wounds, but the animals don't seem to mind. That's because oxpeckers are also like natural warning alarms. They have sharp eyes and can spot predators from far away. When they see danger, they start making loud noises to alert the animals, especially those that can't see well.